Hello everybody, it's Blocky and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the RSI indicator to Robinhood Legend. So it's pretty simple. First thing you want to do is load up a chart. So as you can see, I have the SPY chart loaded up right here. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go up to the top right corner. You'll see this F right here. You want to click on that. It says indicators. If you hover over it, you want to click on where it says add indicator right here. And then it's going to show most popular, and right here you'll see relative strength index right at the top. If you click on that, it's going to go ahead and add that indicator right there, and then you can basically just take a look at this whole indicator, and now you have it added. So you can also click on it, like hover over it to remove it if you want to get rid of it, or you can even edit it. So you can go ahead and do all that different stuff right there with it. But that's pretty much all you have to do in order to add an RSI indicator in Robinhood Legend. It's really simple. You just have to know where the buttons are. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.